Hello again. Sorry for the last video. The last part, this blue part was not recorded. I will record it again. So I'm going to hide everything except for the green layer. So let's recap. This part, the diameter, not the radius. The diameter is 6.5, and this cap was made with an arc. I will redo it. Arc. Center start angle. This is the center, and let's open the end and the quadrant. This is the center, and the quadrant is the end. Let's hold the shift, and we have this arc. You can sweep one. This is the rail, the curve. This is the cross section, and enter sweep. Afterwards, we go to the right view, and I did this shape on a separate layer. I will redo it again with you. Hide. I need to achieve these curves. How to achieve them? So polyline 0 and straight line, we can extend it or mirror anything. Okay. This curve, copy, paste, and open the gumball. Rotate 90 degrees and copy, paste. Sorry. Let's move this to the center. So I will go back, mirror, not extend. Maybe we can mirror it with holding the shift. Copy, paste, rotate 90 degrees and copy, paste, rotate 45, and let's have this one again. Copy, paste, rotate minus 45. Sorry, 45, not minus 45. Okay. To have these curves, let's hide them, right? And take and create offset 1 millimeter both sides. Again, both sides. Again, both sides. No, I don't need a both side for now. I'll guess you will need it. Afterwards, select everything and trim the inside curves. This one is an extra curve, and after finishing you can select these and mirror. I'm deleting the previous ones I was doing before. Mirror from the 0 and holding the shift key, create a circle and offset the circle with 2 millimeters to the outside. Select this circle and trim the extra lines. And select the inner curves and trim the small intersected curves or parts of the circle and select everything and join. Now we're going to project to C-plane, delete input yes, go from the top and extrude 5 points, 5 units. Oh, I didn't make it extrude solid, solid 5, enter, and this part will be moved like this, and we show everything. This is the hair dryer, the last part of page 2. Thank you.